This is a press statement by the Southeast Caucus of the House of Representatives. The subject has to do with appeal for a political and humanitarian resolution in the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The Southeast Caucus of the House of Representatives met today, the 24th of November 2025, here in the House of Representatives, to review the recent judgment in the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and to assess its implications for peace, security and stability in the Southeast region and the nation at large. As elected representatives, we reaffirm our total respect for the judiciary and the process that led to the conviction. However, our responsibility also requires us to speak with clarity when a legal matter evolves into a broader national concern with serious humanitarian, economic, and security consequences. After extensive deliberation, the caucus resolved to humbly appeal to the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, to consider a political and humanitarian intervention using the constitutional powers granted under Section 175 of the 1999 Constitution to grant pardon to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Our appeal is grounded on the following considerations. 1. We believe that the continued detention of Mazi Kanu has contributed significantly to tension and agitation in the Southeast. Despite numerous calls for calm, the atmosphere remains strained. A presidential act of mercy at this time has the potential to de-escalate tensions, restore normalcy, and reduce the cycle of security operations and civil resistance. 2. Beyond its political nature, this matter has taken a deep emotional toll on families, communities, and the general population. The Southeast has experienced profound social disruptions in the form of closed markets, interrupted schooling, reduced commercial activity, and fear. A political resolution will ease these human burdens and allow communities to return to a dignified life. Thirdly, Nigeria has, in critical moments, relied on presidential magnanimity to heal divisions and consolidate peace. Indeed, the authors of our Constitution, and I mean the 1999 Constitution, conceived of Section 175 in anticipation that the bare dictates of the law may sometimes prove insufficient in tackling complex legal issues that are better handled politically via presidential discretion. It is our belief that an act of clemency by the President would resonate deeply across the country as a symbol of inclusiveness, fairness, and leadership that prioritizes healing over division. It will send a clear message that dialogue is still possible, even in difficult circumstances. Finally, the caucus believes that the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu through pardon would open space for broader engagement between the federal government, elected leaders, and community stakeholders to chart a sustained and peaceful path forward. Therefore, in the spirit of national healing, unity, and responsible leadership, we respectfully urge the President to consider this request as an investment in Nigeria's long-term peace and cohesion. We call on all citizens of the Southeast to remain calm, law-abiding, and supportive of ongoing efforts to secure a peaceful resolution. The Southeast Caucus remains committed to working with the federal government to advance national unity, inclusive governance, and lasting stability across all regions. This press statement has been signed by all 43 members of the Southeast Caucus of the House of Representatives. Thank you very much.